good, bro? Damn, bro, you good?
Hey folks, so a month ago I rolled my ankle and it was pretty bad. So I thought it'd be a good idea to share what I do in order to recover from a sprained ankle. Just keep in mind, I'm not a doctor, a physical therapist. I'm just someone that's rolled their ankle a lot of times, so I know what helps my ankle feel better and what doesn't. So as soon as it happened, I tried moving it. I got up, skated back home, and wrapped it really tightly. If you've broken your ankle before, you probably know the difference between a broken ankle and a sprained ankle. If you can't tell the difference, you should probably go to a doctor right away. Don't waste any time because an ankle injury is really serious. Usually the next day you won't be able to walk on your ankle because your ankle is gonna get all swollen and stiff and you can't put any type of weight on it. So what I do is I leave my crutches right next to my bed. So just prepare to not be able to walk the next day in case it does happen. The day after I roll my ankle, I just keep my foot elevated. I put a ton of ice on it and I keep it wrapped tightly. But you don't want it to be wrapped all day because you want some blood to flow through your ankle so it can heal up. I start trying to move my ankle as soon as possible. I like wiggle it a little bit and start doing little tiny circles, and I slowly start making the circle bigger. Halfway through the day, I start trying to walk on it. I use my crutches so I don't have to put all my weight on it, and I slowly start bringing back the movement of my ankle when I walk. If it's too painful to walk on your ankle, I suggest waiting a day or two, because on the injury I just had, I tried to walk way too soon, and now my Achilles tendon is like really stiff and it kind of hurts. So if it's really painful, just wait like a day or two. After you're able to walk on your ankle, which might take like 3 days of just limping around the house, you want to start doing stretches and exercises. You can start doing calf stretches. You can grab your ankle and just move your ankle in circles so you can get that ankle mobility that you lost. At this point, it might feel like you can go back to skating or whatever sport you do, but I suggest waiting a week because sometimes you can just roll your ankle again, which happened to me. I rolled my ankle sometimes like 3 times in 1 week because I didn't let my ankle rest. Because at this point, it might feel like you have all the movement in your ankle, but you don't have the strength that you lost when you rolled your ankle. So you can start bringing your strength back by doing like calf raises, single left calf raises. You can balance on 1 foot. You can also grab a band, or if you don't have a band, you can grab a shirt, a towel, any type of cloth, wrap it around your ankle and start moving your ankle back and forth, left to right. You can do windshield wipers, which is really good exercise. If you really want to build up strength, you can do jump rope with just 1 foot on whatever ankle you rolled. And you want to keep doing these even 2 months after you feel better, because you might roll your ankle again, so you want that strength in your ankle to stay for as long as possible. So yeah, that's what I do when I sprain my ankle, and it's helped me recover like really fast. I started skating like within a week. So I hope this video helped you, and within a month or 2 your ankle should be all good.